Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Mark your attendance. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm discussing about your geometric design of highway. Geometric design. GD of highway. In geometric design of highway, I'm discussing different elements for your geometric design of highway. So if you all remember, during the starting of geometric design, I'm discussing 5 elements. So basically 5 elements you have to require during discussion of geometric design of highway. One of the element is your cross-sectional element. Next element is your side distance consideration. Next element is your design of horizontal alignment or horizontal alignment. Next is your vertical alignment, and last one is your intersection details. So up to this class, I'm discussing your cross-section element, or I have complete cross-section elements and all the aspects of your cross-section elements. Next, I'm discussing side distance. In side distance, I also define what do you mean by side distance, what are the various restrictions for your side distance. So I'm discussing all the restrictions. Next, what are the different type of your side distance? I discussed one of the side distance is your stopping side distance. One of the side distance is your overtaking side distance. Next is your intermediate side distance. So whenever there is no possibility of providing overtaking side distance on a particular section of road, then we have to provide intermediate side distance, and it is also known as IST. So basically the value of IST given by our IRC is 2 times of SST, that means 2 times of the stopping side distance. So if in any question you have to find or examiner asks to find IST, that means intermediate side distance, you just simply find SST, then multiply or double that SST, that means if you multiply with 2 times of that SST, you get IST. Next of our side distance is headlight side distance. So I discussed headlight side distance also. That headlight side distance is basically a stopping side distance. It is also a stopping side distance. That means SST. But headlight side distance, that means headlight. Headlight refers to your vehicle headlight. So basically this side distance be required in night. So headlight side distance is a side distance, but it is a side distance at night. It is its minimum value comes out in vertical curve. So when I am defining or discussing vertical curve, then you feel or you get that headlight side distance, that means HSD comes out to be minimum. But out of this side distance, out of all this side distance, the minimum value of side distance is SSD, that means stopping side distance. Then we get ISD, and the larger value is for OSD. So up to this point, I am discussing. Next side distance is also be required side distance at intersection. So you know about intersection. I think I'm discussing in last class that what do you mean by intersection. So basically we have two type of intersection. One is your controlled intersection, one is your uncontrolled intersection. So intersection looks like, so here I'm discussing about side distance at intersection. Side distance, sorry, I'm here just referring that diagram. So here you see side distance at intersection. So we have two type of intersection. This is your intersection. This is your, is it visual to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think up to this age, you all see this type of intersection. That means here you have a road. Here you have a road. This road is moving from. If you mark the directions, so just wait. I'm marking the directions. So this is direction. Or this is north direction. This is south direction. This is east direction, and this is your west direction. So here you see from north to south or south to north, a road is moving. Also from west to east or east to west, a road is moving. So here, if you observe the width of this road, that means the road which is moving from west to east, the width of this road is so or more than the width of road which is moving from north to south. So first point you kept in mind, that is this road, the width of this road is more than the width of this road. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the width of the road which is moving from west to east or east to west is more than the width of road which is moving from north to south or south to north. So here also when you travel on this type of intersection, just wait.